Hi, my name is Michelle and welcome to my kitchen.
Hello there, children!
Hey, Chef!
This is Mercyful Plate, where each episode I will be featuring a different recipe and I'll be wearing a different band shirt. For this episode, I will be wearing Sodom. They are German thrash metal royalty, and I was so pumped to see them in 2024 at Dahlia Hall when they played with Dismember and Nunslaughter. For this episode, I will be making an easy egg fried rice. This can either be a side or, if you're brave enough, a whole meal. You will need 3 minced garlic cloves, 2 bunches of green onions, sliced, green and white parts separated, half a bag of bean sprouts, optional, 1 small knob of ginger, finely minced, 3 eggs if you can afford it.
I am never going to financially recover from this.
White pepper to taste, soy sauce to taste. I used regular soy sauce, but for my hypertensive peeps, they can use low sodium soy sauce. Dark soy sauce for color, sesame oil to taste, although I used very little because it's very potent. MSG, which is optional.
If you sad in life, use MSG. If you happy in life, use MSG.
A half a bag of frozen peas and carrots. A day-old white rice. The day before, I cooked 1.5 cups of rice, which came out to be 4 cups of cooked rice. And lastly, sesame seeds for garnish. Always remember to protect your beloved band shirt. Now let's make fried rice. For this I use a wok, but really any large pot or pan can be used. You're gonna heat up your pan and add oil. Add bean sprouts, a small splash of soy sauce and pepper, and cook until soft. Once soft, set aside in a large bowl. Wipe clean and add oil. Cook your peas and carrots with the white parts of the green onion and season with a splash of soy sauce and pepper. Once warmed up and no longer frozen, set aside in the bowl, wipe down the pan, and add oil. Cook eggs and remove them as soon as they are cooked and don't let them brown. Set aside in the bowl, wipe your pan and add oil. Add your white rice and break it up with your spoon. Add garlic, ginger, regular soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and white pepper. Add in all of your ingredients from the bowl and mix until well combined, and do a taste test to see if you need to add any seasoning. No white spots. Sprinkle MSG if you're a real one. Turn off the heat and mix in a small splash of sesame oil and green onions and garnish with some sesame seeds. Sometimes you just need to eat a large amount of something, so I hope you liked my recipe and try to make your own fried rice. You can also add in any kind of meat you want, like chicken, steak, shrimp, tofu, carne al pastor, or even carnitas. Watch out for more episodes coming your way, and thank you again so much for watching. Listen to Sodom and keep it metal.